The question only is, will it sustain the 250 odd point on the Nifty? Will that sustain? Let's wait and watch. About 1%. Nothing rara, just about good. And in fact, just cooling off a bit, but let's give it a chance. I think some BTST traders might be booking profits as well, but the start is not bad. Forget the advanced decline rates, they'll update themselves. Let's get the Nifty IT and then the heat map very quickly on the screen. Nifty IT just about 1/3%, so banks are leading. Let's get the heat map up on the screen and see the green. This is beautiful, isn't it? Because we haven't seen that for a really long time. I mean, the last 10 days seem like really long. We haven't seen this for such a long time. What is doing well? Let's start with that. Interglobe Aviation, no surprise there, 4% higher. Effectively crude sensitives, Asian Paints, 3.5% higher. Some of the metal names, Tata Steel coming back. Shriram Finance was the top loser yesterday on open, starting off about a couple of percentage points higher. Ultratech gaining strength, 2.5%. Larsen & Toubro, a couple of percentage points. Some of the auto names. Adani Ports has a brokerage upgrade as well in the session. In the session today, there is M&M. So you can clearly see mobility with aviation and auto, both of them doing well, and crude sensitives effectively doing well. Fair degree of green. What is not doing well? ONGC and Reliance, no surprise there. Crude cool off, these two will get hit. Coal India a bit hit as well, because remember it had also rallied a fair bit, and some of the defensives like Cipla etc. coming off. But largely the day belongs to the gainers. Just keep in mind though, the markets have cooled off a little bit from their opening tick. Now just about 0.7%. Not everybody is 100% convinced with what's happening. And frankly, Tamanna, they shouldn't be as well. This could change any moment.
Yeah, I will just go back to David Roche's first statement this morning that I will paraphrase, saying that Trump says a lot of things. Let's wait and see what actually happens. But I wouldn't complain with the nearly a 200-point uptick on the Nifty after so long. It's not a roaring comeback. Remember, from its highs, Nifty has lost a huge steam. This is just one small step in that direction. I want to pull up contributors for the Nifty before we move ahead, and it's ICICI Bank that is leading the charge in pulling up the index. HDFC Bank, L&T, SBI as well. RIL, so now a Reuters report saying that Reliance is beginning to buy Russian crude after the US's nod. ONGC is expected to come off, emphasis because it had bucked the trend, but this side is looking strong. 184 points from these top 4 stocks, and others of course coming in as well. Let's pull up India VIX. India VIX is important to see because it had gone to dizzying heights, and this cool off here is important. 11.5% down, so some reprieve there as well. Small cap and mid cap, are they participating in the relief rally? This is right now a relief bounce back. I wouldn't even call it a full-fledged rally, to be honest. And you're seeing the Nifty small cap about 1% up. Not bad at all, doing better actually than the Nifty, 1.5% nearly up for the Nifty mid-cap 150. The sectoral index will tell you who's leading the way, and it will be your oil and gas, perhaps. Consumer durables doing very well, 2% up this morning. Auto stocks, remember, one of the top losers yesterday, are recovering well, and also because of some of the numbers that have been coming in and updates that have been coming in. PSU banks have recovered sharply, and that is also a reprieve. This was one of the top losers. Oil and gas, because of ONGC here, feeling the heat. ONGC and other upstream companies, downstream companies will be in pain. CPSEs are also pretty flat, but this is not a bad screen at all this morning. I want to get to specific stocks, and let's pull up Dixon. We talked to you about the clearances that they have got for their joint venture with a Chinese company. This is something that the company was waiting for. Does this pave the way for the clearance with the JV with Vivo that they are now awaiting? 5% up on the stock.